October 9th.
Leon, are you okay?
How long was I out?
I don't know. A while. Those marks.
It's T-virus. Stage 3 infection.
If you're so sick, why would you come here?
This place. Raccoon City was where it all began for me. Where it all happened, I couldn't make a difference. So I am here now.
We can't stop Zeno.
He said something about you having a password. What was he talking about?
I don't know. I'm sorry. Hey, here.
I'm going back. I'm gonna destroy Elvis.
I'm coming with you.
No, you're not.
I don't want any more regrets. Whatever it takes, count me in.
If anything happens to me, you promise you'll end this.
I promise.
Come on.
Find a way out of the dump.
I can check it out for us. You think you can give me a boost?
Guess we're about to find out. Come on. Watch out for yourself up there, yeah?
I will.
Of course, no one heard that. The override key, the dump control room. A power activation key, it should restore electricity to the dump control room.
All right, Leon. Be careful. I need to get going too.
Magnetic key. Magnetic key programmed to unlock certain doors.
Nice. Oh, no.
Access log 51st assembly minutes. Checking database access request. Following data was found. Minutes of the 51st assembly meeting as transcribed. AI Control Center, NOAA. The state we heard the key Grace Ashcroft has finally had found. It's been 28 years since we occupied ARK. Are you sure she's the one? Z, without a doubt. There's no need to worry. More importantly, don't you think your withdrawal from the treaty is too blatant? The state, it's a bluff. The United States is and always will be the center of the world. The BSAA are fully under our control as well. Are there any changes in product supplies? The ARC's factory automation is constantly evolving. I believe that's enough for today. We can discuss further while we view the products. Sterilization Chamber safe. Emergency supply code. Right 10, left 90, right 20. Hip pouch. Small pouch that adds to slots to your inventory. Monitor control safe. Emergency supply code. Left 50, right 60, left 80. $50, $60, $80. Mr. Raccoon. operations room. This orb, a beautiful white orb, one of the objects needed to enter the administration area within ARK. Operations room. Access log, first assembly minutes. Checking database access request, following data has been found. Minutes of the first assembly meeting, as transcribed by AI Control Center. The defense leakage of the T-virus has caused an epidemic. If things continue like this, all eyes will be focused on Raccoon City. KD, there's nothing to worry about. ARK has been secured. Commence the missile strike. The defense, we are lacking presidential authorization. KD. The organization is involved. There is no need for the usual procedures. The blame will fall solely on Spencer. The defense understood. KD, with this, Umbrella will be dismantled and will seize their assets. Transcript ends here. Floppy disk.
Something important. I'll explain later.
Compact disc. Mini disc. The creator.
Shutting yourself away in a dark room like this is quite the change for you, after the life you've led.
Life takes unexpected turns, don't you think?
Looking back, do you feel that the choices you've made have contributed to your present circumstances?
Of course. What you sow, you reap. Isn't that the natural order?
So, tell me, Lord Spencer, what would you like the world to know?
The truth. But a short break before we begin, Miss Ashcroft. I'm not a young man. I don't have the energy I once did.
Why would Mom hide this?
Please.